Alright, so I have been asked to do a video of Now is the Month of May from Tradition of Excellence Book 3. I have not used Tradition of Excellence Book 3 much, but I have used Bruce Pearson's other books, Standard of Excellence, I've used for close to 20 years. And then Best in Class, I believe, was the book before that I used on and off a little bit when I was just starting off with playing and, well, not with playing, but with teaching. So now is the month of May. The first thing I see as I look at it is a joke. I see C, key of C, no sharps, no flats. Second thing I see is the cut time. So we're not in 4/4, but we are in cut time. So initially you might want to play this. Okay, bad air on that G. That's a 4/4 feel. And you really want to be thinking in cut time. 1 and 2 and 1 and get. Just to get that timing going. 1 and 2 and 1 and oftentimes in cut times, I often hear people like, why don't I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of 1, 2, 1, 2. And my response to that is always think smarter, not harder. So by going 1 and 2 and 1, you can concentrate more on the notes and less on the timing. Because you're thinking 1 and 2 and instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we go. Watching for that little practice session. Sharp. All right. 1 and 2 and 1 and. All right, so month of May, number 8 out of Standard or Tradition of Excellence, Book 3, and I'm looking forward into getting into more of these videos. Thank you. Please subscribe.